I'm really stretching here. I'm pretty much scraping the bottom of the barrel for uniforms or things that are vaguely qualified as uniforms. But you guys have knocked down yet another stretch goal. So we are going to go ahead and include an ex Libris with every copy of Forged in Snow that we sell as part of the Kickstarter. If you think that's cool and you haven't pledged for a copy yet, you still have a few days, but we are approaching the final stretch of the Kickstarter here. So we still have just a couple of stretch goals left, and the one that is now next up is a short expanded section on the Ducks 53 and Ducks 59. This is essentially a German-made copy of the Finnish M44 subgun that was developed late in World War II. Long and interesting story. The majority owner of Tikka Koski was actually German, and when he fled Finland at the end of World War II, he took all of the technical drawings for the M44 submachine gun with him and attempted to put them into production after the war in Germany. So if we meet this stretch goal, we'll go ahead and write up a section on that. It's not strictly a Finnish arm, but it is certainly related to Finnish arms. So that's the next one up. Thanks, guys.